come over here. Let's look at this side. So the way these Corvettes are put together, they don't actually use a seam seal, like a traditional seam seal, like a lot of cars do. There is a urethane product, a polyurethane product that they put on all the sides where the seams are on this windshield frame. And that is the seam seal. Now I was looking at the other side, something looked off to me. So come on over, let's take a peek at it. Here's where it was all seamed together. And then right here, there's a gap. Now the urethane goes all the way through. I put a hook tool in here to see if I can penetrate through, and it doesn't penetrate through. But because there's a seam right here, this is supposed to be sealing that seam. So if I put a drop of water here, let's see. Trying to get it exactly where I want it. So now watch, I got water sitting inside of that gap right there, and it's dripping. Right, you can see the water weeping through at the seam. $100,000 car with a factory water leak right there, and it's probably slow enough, and this car's garage kept enough. He never had a clue. So your factory seal is not always better, folks. It's not. So, and if you've got a good reputable company doing your work, they'll catch stuff like this whenever they're doing your windshield replacement. Now we have an opportunity to fix this and make sure he never has an issue with this in the future. I need to put a new tip on this thing. Gun's starting to struggle.
You got yours set?
Yep. So, we'll just work our foam right down in there where it needs to be. Back to a time lapse. Here, one point there. That is kind of the cool part about working on cars, is I get to get little drives and stuff that I would never justify spending money on. All right, Corvette's done. You guys come see us. Call us at 843-379-7222 or stop by and see us at 820 F Paris Island Gateway. Thanks, everybody.